In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up subtask automations in ClickUp. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity by automating subtasks, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process and make your project management experience even more efficient. First, it's important to understand that ClickUp is a versatile tool that empowers you to customize your workflow through automation. This powerful feature allows you to automate actions not only for tasks, but specifically for subtasks as well. This is incredibly useful for breaking down large tasks into manageable chunks, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the space, folder, or list within ClickUp where you plan to set up the automation. It's essential to choose the exact location because these settings will be applied precisely where you direct them, offering flexibility in how you manage your tasks. Once you've reached the desired space, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a lightning bolt icon, which is, in fact, the Automations button. Go ahead and click on it to access the Automations modal. Inside the modal, you'll find the option to create a new automation. Click on the Create Automation button, and you'll be guided through a straightforward process that lets you tailor the automation to meet your needs. At this stage, you'll see a drop-down menu that offers you the choice to apply automations to tasks, subtasks, or both. Since our focus is on subtasks, you'll want to make sure you select the Subtasks option. This precision ensures that the automation will trigger specifically for subtasks, making it an invaluable tool for managing detailed aspects of your projects. Now, let's move on to building your automation. You'll want to structure it using the familiar logic of trigger, conditions, and action. Start by setting up a trigger. This could be when a new subtask is created, or perhaps when a due date is changed, among other possibilities. Once the trigger is defined, you can set any necessary conditions. Think of these as filters that refine when and how the automation should activate, tailoring it to fit various scenarios within your projects. Finally, you'll define the action that follows. This could be anything from updating a status, sending a notification, or moving a subtask to another list. The versatility here is great, allowing you to customize your workflow according to your unique requirements. Once everything is set up, you can click Save, and your subtask automation is ready to go, working tirelessly in the background to keep your projects on track. With these steps complete, you've successfully set up subtask automations in ClickUp, streamlining your workflow and putting more focus back on high-priority tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!